Heavy rains lashed the city again on Thursday morning, affecting normal life. Office goers were the worst hit as huge traffic jams were reported from various parts of the city due to waterlogging in low-lying areas and trees being uprooted. Auto rickshaw drivers fleeced customers, demanding double the fare, citing traffic snarls in the city and waterlogging. Overnight rains wreaked havoc in Shivaji Nagar, R.R. Nagar, Nayandahalli, Harmavu, K.R. Puram, Sheshadripuram, Yelahanka, and Indira Nagar. Siddaramaiah, leader of opposition, visited Shivaji Nagar. He was accompanied by Rizwan Arshad, Shivaji Nagar MLA, and BBMP officials.